students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So today's question is find the mode of the following data. So formula to find mode is L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 times F1 minus F0 minus F2 the whole into H. Correct? This is our formula, where L1 is the lower limit of a model class, F1 is the frequency of model class, F0 is the frequency of preceding class, F1 is the frequency of succeeding class, and H is the height of the model class or the size of the model class. Now what is this model class? Model class, it is the class with maximum frequency, class with maximum frequency. See here, which class has maximum frequency? Here maximum frequency is 15. So this will become our model class. Correct? So L will be the lower limit of model class. So this is our L. Correct? And F1 is our frequency of model class. So this is our F1. F0 is the frequency of preceding class. If this is the model class, the class just before it will be our preceding class. So frequency of preceding class is 9. So this is our F0. F1 is the frequency of succeeding class. That is the class just after the model class. So this will be our frequency of succeeding class. And H is the height of the model class. See here, height. H will be difference of 7 minus 5, which is equals to 2. So now you have L, H, F0, F1 and F2. So we'll put all this thing in our formula and we can find the mode. So mode will be equals to, instead of L, what we will write? 5 plus, instead of F1 we will write 15, instead of F0 we will write 9. Correct? Divided by 2 times F1 will become 15 times 2, 30, minus F0 which is 9, minus F2 which is again 9, into H we found as 2, so into 2. So this will be our 5 plus 15 minus 9 will become 6, 30 minus 9 will become 12, and into 2. So this will be 2 times 6 and 6 times 1. So 5 plus 1 will become 6. So our mode of the given data is 6. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.